friends, Jackie Bolhuis from Klompen Stampers. Today I want to share a product with you called Memories and More. Now, if you're not a scrapbooker, don't tune me off because you heard the word memories and you think I'm going to talk about scrapbooking, because I'm not going to talk about scrapbooking at all. We're going to use the product called Memories and More, and we're going to do the more part of it, and I'm going to show you how you can use the cards that come in a Memory and More packet to make some quick and easy cards. They're just really fun to play with, and like I said, you can make a batch of quick and easy cards and have them ready to send off to family and friends. So that's what I'm going to share with you today. So let's go ahead, flip the camera down, and let's get started. Now today's video is going to be a little bit different because I'm not going to do a whole lot of stamping, but I'm going to do a lot of show and tell. I'm kind of looking at my table here. I probably have at least 10 or more cards that I'm going to share with you today. But our focus is going to be what's called the Memories and More card pack. Now in the mini catalog that's good through June, we have the ones that are called Tropical OASIS Memories and More pack. And then in our annual catalog, we also have a couple of sets in here. There's the Magnolia Lane and the Come Sail Away. And I think I've shared both of these before. I know I've done that one. Maybe we'll do this one again sometime soon. But there's also, it's called the Magnolia Lane Large Specialty Memories and More Cards and Envelopes. That's a mouthful. Don't let this confuse you. Don't think this only has to go with those, because we're going to actually use this product today to make cards using the Tropical OASIS Memories and More. Now, why are they called Memories and More? Well, it's Stampin' Up's solution to card makers and scrapbookers, because a lot of times scrapbookers nowadays use the pocket pages, and these are designed the right size for pocket pages. So they're heavy. It's like a heavy cardstock, and in the packet you actually get 50, 25 of each. Everything comes double, but you get half of them are the 4x6s, and then half of them are, I think this is 3x5, 3x4. So double-sided, so you get, some of them have great words. I mean, that's perfect. Plop that on a card and you're ready to go. Some of them have areas you can stamp on them, you can layer on them, you can add different dimensions. The small ones, I think the small ones have a lot of ones that are great for cards. You know, they have words on them. Can't find one right now. I pulled out a lot of them. This isn't a full pack because I've got several cards made, but that's what they look like. And then they also come with a couple sheets of stickers that you can stamp on, and again, use them in memory keeping or card making. Well, I am by far much more a card maker, so that's what I want to share with you today. Now, we are going to use the stamp set, Thanks for Laughs, on the cards I'm making today. This just has the perfect words to use with these Memories and More cards. And I did a lot of the work ahead of time because I really wanted to just share with you how easy it is to make cards. Now, the first thing I always do when I'm making cards with these packs is I take them all and I spread them all out on a table, and then I start mixing and matching to decide how I want to put them together. So for this one, I decided I liked that on the top, and then all I needed to do was grab a greeting out of this Thanks for Laughs. Yeah, Thanks for Laughs, and we're going to add You're the Best. So like I said, you know, if you are a card maker that likes to do lots of stamping and putzing and, you know, all of that, this might be too quick and easy for you, but I love it for quick and easy cards. Now, you'll notice that I am using that Memory and More. I glued that down too quick, but you can see this nice foiled edge, which I'm going to show you how we're going to take advantage of that as well. But even if I don't use that, I don't feel bad covering it up because I like the size of these cards, okay? And they come with envelopes and everything. So you get your cards and your envelopes. And like I said, they're perfect for way more than just the Memories and More cards as well. So we're going to go ahead and layer that one on there. Now, I have already stamped and just cut out with an old banner die the You're the Best. So we can pop that up with dimensionals. And let's see, let's just put that right down there. So there's the front of our card. And then for the inside, you know what? And I stamped that the wrong way because we're going this direction. I thought, oh, we're going to be smart. We're going to pre-stamp that, but we need to stamp it the other way. So let me grab the stamp. There, so let's try this instead. How lucky did I get to have a friend like you? You know, that's why I never adhere layers down until I've stamped them, because If that would have been adhered down and I stamped it the wrong way, we wouldn't be able to flip it over and use the back side. So that easy, you have a cute card to go ahead and send to someone. You know, here's another one. I have this one ready to go as well. And then I have a bunch of other ones that I'm going to share with you. So I'm just using the bigger piece here. Now this I liked, it had words on it already. The best is yet to come. So we'll stick that down on there. And then the greeting, again, we're using that thanks for the laughs. And we'll, like I said, I just cut these and stamped them. You've seen me do that before, so I figured we didn't need to add that to the video. And then again, we're gonna put that inside piece. Now I know you could go ahead and just stamp and write on the inside, but I kind of have this thing about, I like to have either white or vanilla in the inside. I just feel like it really finishes off our card rather than just opening it up and having the craft on the inside. So there we go. So there is that one. Now let's just grab a couple others that I've made. And you'll see I just used these cards, grab some scrap, either white or vanilla. And all of these are greetings from that thanks for the laughs. So, and again, they're all finished off on the inside with just a piece in the coordinating greeting. I like this one. I am definitely a beach girl, so I'll say let's go to the beach any day. Okay. Here I just used a label punch to punch that one out. Here's the "You're the best" again. But look at how cute and easy. See these? See you soon. That one I'm going to actually send to my mom because she lives by the beach and I'm going there soon. So those are those cards. Now let's push these aside, and I just want to show how you can do some other things with these cards. So here, I like how I can add this one onto the front here. Now we get to see that nice silver foil on there. The other ones I did cover it up, but I was kind of more interested in the size of these cards and the envelopes. Now, let me share a couple other cards, and then I want to show you a trick with the envelope. So with these cards and envelopes, see how pretty the envelopes are? That has that silver foiling as well. But they also come with this inside piece. So all you have to do is stick that down in there, adhere a little bit there, and now we have a really nice lined envelope. Well, in my opinion, that's a big waste. There's all this pretty paper down there. So what I actually did is took my paper cutter, and I am going to cut off a good chunk of the bottom here. Let's just line it up in there. I think that was big enough. So now I can still put this in my envelope. Just need to add a little bit of adhesive right along there. So I still have a lined envelope, but now I have this piece that I can use on a card. And you can see here on both of these cards that I've taken part of this paper and used it on the card. So it's not all wasted by being just down in there. So these cards are perfect for just stamping. It doesn't have to be just for using the memories and more, but they are designed to fit the memories and more so perfectly. So like I said, it was a lot of show and tell today, but I really wanted to share with you these memory and more packs, because especially this one, I think it is adorable. Add any greeting stamp that you want, but you can make a whole package of quick and easy cards. Now over on my website, I'll have pictures of all of these for you in case you'd like to make them. Instead of, that way you don't have to figure out what card goes with what. You're welcome to copy those along with a list of all the products I use. So if you'd like to place an order, you can real easily do that from over on my website. And don't forget, we're still in celebration. So if you place a $50 order, you can select an item for free. So as always, let me know if you have any questions or if I can help you with anything. Again, I didn't do a lot of stamping today, but I hope you like the projects. I'll be back again real soon with some more card making and stamping projects for you. So until I stamp with you again, have a stamp happy day.